Hello everyone, this is Loreal and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video because guys, it's my birthday today and I've created this look because I'm gonna celebrate at my house. I'm not going anywhere. I did not want to do something monochrome. I wanted to add a little pop of color in my eyes. So you can do it on your birthdays, you can even do it for small occasions if you are celebrating at home. Without wasting any more moment, just see how I created this look and let's get started. I'm starting my makeup with a primer. So I'm gonna apply it on the areas that has oiliness, like the T-zone area, and I'm not gonna apply it on the whole face. I'm using a light coverage foundation because I don't want that heavy finish on my face. I'll apply it on the form of dots and then blend it out using a thick foundation brush. Can you see the difference between the left side and the right side? See how evenly it's blended? Blend in the foundation properly and don't forget the ear and the neck part. So now it's blended and you can see how dewy it looks. I'm going to be applying my concealer on the under eyes where I have a lot of pigmentation and dark circles. I'm using a dark concealer because I want full coverage of whatever pigmentation I have, and I'll blend it out using the same brush again. To create a light base, I'll not use another concealer. Instead, I'm using a foundation which is lighter. I'm applying it on the high points of my face using a concealer brush. I will use the same foundation on the top of my eyelids as a base. Now I'm blending in the product properly and you can see I'm using the same brush again. Now I'll use a damp beauty blender and I'll evenly blend out every harsh lines that's there. Time for blush. So I'm using a cream blush and I'll apply it on the apples of my cheek. Give a bright smile when you're applying a blush. Now I'll put a cream contour on my face and I'm contouring my nose with it. It gives a structure and it defines the shape more. And because I want a dewy finish, I'm using the cream products first. I will blend all the products with the same foundation brush again so that everything gets blended. I'll blend the nose contour with a small precise blending brush. To set my face, I'll be using a compact and I'll set the areas that I concealed. I'll be using this beautiful blush and I'll apply it on the areas where I applied the cream blush. And just dab dab dab. I'll be using this palette. So I'll take these two shades and I'll highlight my face using them. Using a very small brush. Can you see that glow? Apply it on the high points of my face. Highlighters make the skin look more dewy. Time for the lipstick. I'm using a very similar shade to the outfit that I'm wearing. It's a kind of a pinky matte lipstick. I'll just use a spoolie and brushing up my brows. I'm using this dark brown shade and I'll just apply it on the areas that needs correction. I already have thick brows, guys, so I don't apply too much of product on it. I'll do the same with the other brow and just use a spoolie and blend it again. Now time for the eyes. So I'm using this pinkish shade as my transition shade. So I'll create an eye look using just 2 shades of eyeshadow. I'm taking this mint blue shade and I'll just dab it off using my finger on the lids. Wow, can you see this color? It's beautiful. Using fingertips enhances the color of the eye. And I will blend the harsh lines using my blending brush. I'll apply the same color underneath my eyes. And I'll be using this whitish shade on the inner corners of my eyes. So I wanted a pop of color in my eye, and you can see it. Now I'm applying a little dark blue shade on the outer corners to define my eyes furthermore. So I'm not using any false lashes, so I'll just curl up my lash. And then the mascara. So when I was new, I used to make a lot of funny faces while applying the mascara, but now I have a habit. So practice makes you perfect, you know. Now time for the fixer. So I'll just use my fixer on the beauty blender and I'll just set the products. Can you see that dewiness in my face? So now my face is almost done. I'll just apply the highlighter on the collarbones. And it's done. Birthday ready. You guys like my video. If you did so, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will come up with more such videos, guys, and I'm glad that I'm celebrating my birthday with you all. So I hope I do it every year. So I just wish that you like my videos and I'll keep on coming with more such videos. So yeah, this is it. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and I love you guys so much and keep suggesting me. I'll create more videos for you. Love you. Bye.